If you're searching for a luxury all-inclusive resort in Cancun that delivers both sophistication and family-friendly fun, Royalton Riviera Cancun might just be your perfect match. This five-star property sits right in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, offering guests a blend of modern Caribbean architecture and upscale amenities that cater to everyone from honeymooners to families with energetic kids. The accommodation options at Royalton Riviera Cancun are genuinely impressive, with each room type designed to offer something special for different types of travelers. The Junior Suite swim-up rooms are perhaps the most coveted, featuring direct access to a private pool right from your terrace. Imagine stepping out of your room and sliding into crystal-clear water without having to claim a poolside spot at dawn. These suites span 624 square feet and come equipped with king beds, spacious living areas, rainfall showers, and all the luxury touches you would expect from a five-star property, including bathrobes, slippers, and daily minibar restocking. For couples seeking romance, the honeymoon suites offer the same generous space but add a whirlpool tub and upgraded amenities that create an intimate atmosphere perfect for celebrating special occasions. Families will appreciate the family suites, which provide 840 square feet of space with 2 separate bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, and kid-friendly amenities that make traveling with children much more manageable. The Diamond Club Suites represent the pinnacle of luxury at the resort, offering adults-only accommodations with exclusive check-in services, private lounge access, and premium service levels that justify the higher price point. Every room features modern amenities including flat-screen televisions with international channels, coffee makers, safes, hair dryers, and private balconies or terraces that showcase views of either pool, gardens, or ocean. The contemporary design incorporates bright whites with vibrant Caribbean accents, creating spaces that feel both luxurious and relaxed. When it comes to dining and drinking, Royalton Riviera Cancun takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, with multiple restaurants and bars that could easily stand alone as destination dining spots. The market serves as the main international buffet restaurant, operating throughout the day with live cooking stations that add theater to your meals. The breakfast spread here is particularly noteworthy, featuring everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order omelets, while dinner brings themed nights that showcase different global cuisines. Sakura represents the Asian fusion option, where skilled chefs prepare fresh sushi, authentic ramen, and creative stir-fry dishes that transport your taste buds straight to Asia. The restaurant even offers sushi-making classes for guests who want to learn the art of rolling perfect maki. Mediterraneo captures the essence of Southern European cuisine with handmade pastas, fresh seafood preparations, and tapas-style small plates that encourage sharing and lingering over meals. The live music nights here create an atmosphere that makes you forget you are at a resort rather than a charming coastal restaurant in Spain or Italy. La Parrilla celebrates Mexican culinary traditions with authentic tacos, perfectly grilled meats, and fresh ceviche that showcases local seafood. The tequila tastings held here provide education about Mexico's national spirit while adding a fun social element to your evening. The Diamond Club Lounge offers an exclusive adults-only dining experience with gourmet, small plates, and premium beverages, including wine pairing events that elevate the all-inclusive experience to fine dining levels. The bar scene includes the Diamond Club Bar with its premium cocktails and mixology classes, the swim-up bar that keeps pool activities fueled with tropical drinks, and a lobby bar that serves as a casual meeting spot throughout the day and evening. The pool and beach facilities at Royalton Riviera Cancun create multiple environments for different moods and preferences. The resort features 3 main pool areas, each designed with specific guest experiences in mind. The family pool provides a lively atmosphere where kids can splash and play while parents relax nearby, complete with water slides that keep children entertained for hours. The adults-only pool offers a more serene environment where couples and solo travelers can enjoy peaceful swimming and sunbathing without the excitement of family activities. The swim-up pool connects directly to the swim-up suites and features an integrated bar, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience for guests staying in these premium accommodations. The infinity design of the main pool creates stunning visual effects, especially during sunset when the water appears to merge with the horizon. Poolside service ensures that guests never have to leave their loungers for refreshments, with attentive staff circulating throughout the day to take drink and snack orders. The beach stretches for 200 meters of pristine white sand that feels soft between your toes and provides ample space for all guests, even during peak occupancy periods. The calm Caribbean waters are perfect for swimming, and the resort provides complimentary water sports equipment including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. Beach service includes comfortable loungers, umbrellas for shade, and towel service that eliminates the need to carry anything from your room. The beachfront location offers stunning sunrise views that make early morning walks particularly rewarding, while the protected bay location typically provides calm waters ideal for families with young children. Activities at Royalton Riviera Cancun extend far beyond typical resort offerings, with programs designed to keep guests of all ages engaged throughout their stay. The fitness center features modern cardio equipment, weight training options, and resistance machines that allow fitness enthusiasts to maintain their workout routines while traveling. Group fitness classes including yoga, Pilates, and Zumba provide social exercise opportunities with professional instructors who accommodate all skill levels. Personal training sessions are available for guests who want customized workout plans or instruction on proper equipment use. The daily entertainment schedule includes live music performances, themed party nights, and cultural shows that showcase Mexican traditions and folklore. Pool parties create high-energy atmospheres with music, games, and dance competitions that bring guests together in celebration. Evening entertainment ranges from live bands to DJ sets, ensuring that nightlife options suit different preferences and energy levels. The resort also organizes various tournaments and competitions including beach volleyball, water aerobics, and trivia contests that encourage guest participation and create opportunities for meeting fellow travelers. Cultural activities such as cooking classes, Spanish lessons, and traditional craft workshops provide educational experiences that connect guests with local Mexican culture and traditions. The spa and wellness facilities at Royalton Riviera Cancun provide a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation within the resort setting. The treatment menu includes traditional massages, rejuvenating facials, and body wraps that utilize both international techniques and local Mexican ingredients. The signature Mayan ritual treatment incorporates ancient healing practices with modern spa techniques, creating a unique experience that connects guests with the region's cultural heritage. Couples massage suites allow partners to enjoy treatments together in private settings that enhance romantic getaways. The spa facilities include a sauna and steam room that provide additional relaxation options, while the peaceful relaxation lounge offers quiet spaces for meditation or simply unwinding between treatments. Hydrotherapy options utilize water-based treatments that soothe muscles and promote circulation, particularly beneficial after active days of water sports or excursions. The spa operates from morning until evening, with online booking available for advanced planning or reception booking for spontaneous treatments. Professional therapists are trained in various international techniques and can customize treatments based on individual preferences and needs. The serene atmosphere of the spa provides a welcome contrast to the lively pool and beach areas, offering guests a complete wellness experience during their vacation. Families traveling with children will find Royalton Riviera Cancun exceptionally well-equipped for young guests, with dedicated programs and facilities that keep kids entertained while giving parents opportunities to relax. The Kids Club operates throughout the day with age-appropriate activities including arts and crafts, games, sports, and educational programs that teach children about Mexican culture and marine life. Professional staff members supervise all activities and are trained in child safety and engagement techniques. The Teens Club recognizes that adolescents have different interests, offering activities like dance classes, movie screenings, video game tournaments, and social events that help teenagers connect with peers. Both clubs provide parents with peace of mind knowing their children are safely engaged in fun activities while they enjoy adult time at the spa, bars, or romantic dinners. Family-friendly amenities throughout the resort include high chairs and restaurants, cribs available upon request, and children's menus that feature familiar favorites alongside opportunities to try new foods. The shallow areas of the family pool and calm beach waters provide safe environments for young swimmers, while the water slides add excitement for kids who love aquatic adventures. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows and activities that allow the whole family to enjoy time together before children's bedtime routines. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.